I have another food truck inspiration. Today we're going to do a deluxe twisted nachos, I think is what they called it. I did a fall festival the other day. There's a food truck there called Sarah's Rockin' Kitchen. Really, I mean, a really great big menu, honestly, very big menu for a food truck. But one item caught my eye, and that was the deluxe twisted nachos. I asked what they were, and she proceeded to tell me, and I'm like, you know, before I even seen it or even tasted it, I'm like, I'm gonna make that a video. That sounds amazing. So today I'm gonna recreate her deluxe twisted nachos, put a little bit of my spin onto it, but try to keep it close to hers as possible. And I promise you, this is gonna be good. She gave me a big old plate of them the other day, and they were amazing. And it don't take a whole lot to put these together. That's the really great thing about doing the food truck inspiration cooks and stuff. A lot of times you don't have a lot of stuff or a lot of room to have a lot of ingredients. So very few ingredients, very tasty food, and that's what you're after. But we need to get to cooking. So go on and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up. We have a little bit of prep to do, not a whole lot, and then we're gonna get to cooking. Now I will say the lettuce and the tomato we already had prepped. We got some shredded lettuce here, and we have some diced tomato. So really the only prep we have to do here is cut up some chicken. But it don't take long to shred up a little bit of lettuce and tomato either. So the prep is not going to take long at all. Let's move some stuff out of the way so we can get to cooking. Now, as far as the chicken goes, I'm just using some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Something very simple, tasty, delicious. I'd rather have the thigh than the breast. That's my personal taste. My take on that, I think it's a tastier, juicier piece of meat. Now, one thing she had on hers, and this is by preference, you can do it, but this is the way she served it. Her chicken was cut up into smaller pieces like that. And I think she used chicken breasts. But we're gonna use chicken thighs. So let's get all this cut up, kind of cleaned up, and then we're gonna get it cooked up. We are just about done cutting up all this chicken and getting it like we want it. Kind of cleaned up, getting some of that extra fat and stuff off of it. Just making pretty chicken, you know, pretty chicken. So once you get your chicken cut up like you want it, we're just gonna throw it in this bowl right here. Now that we all have it into a bowl, take one glove off, and I'm gonna go ahead and season it in the bowl. Season it with whatever you like. I absolutely love this chicken griddle by Blackstone. Love it, love it, love it. Especially if I can get it open. There we go. If you can get your hands on this chicken griddle, man, I'm gonna tell you what, you got your hands on some good stuff. So let's go ahead and give this chicken a good generous coating of seasoning, because we want a good flavorful chicken on our nachos. And honestly, I'm not sure what she seasoned hers with. It was really good, but I'm not sure if it was the seasoning she used or if it's, she makes, or if it's something she buys. I didn't ask. Maybe I need to ask these kind of questions. But I think that's pretty good right there. So, let's take the gloves off. Let's go check on the griddle. Come on. Well, I'm seeing that white smoking. You know what that means. It's time to put some groceries down on this griddle. Now, instead of cooking this chicken up in oil, I'm gonna use some bacon up. Now, before I do this, I do want to say I thought about going ahead and chopping up some bacon, cooking that, letting it render down, and then cooking the chicken. But like I said, I'm gonna try to keep this as close to hers as possible. But hey, putting bacon in it would never, ever be a bad idea, I don't think. But anyhow, let's get some of this bacon up down on the griddle. Now comes the fun part. Let's get some groceries on this griddle. There we go. There's that sizzle. Oh yeah. Coat all this chicken in that bacon grease. You know that's gonna be good. Oh yeah. Let's spread it out and just let it cook. Oh, it's smelling so good out here. That chicken griddle with that bacon grease. Oh, I can already tell you this is gonna be good. You know, it's not something I'm gonna say very often, but man, this raw chicken Sure is smelling good right now. Well, this chicken has been going, I don't know, 3 or 4, maybe 5 minutes or so. Let's stir it up a little bit. Because it don't take long for these chicken thighs to cook up, especially when they're cut up like this. And honestly, I probably could have cut these into smaller pieces, but that's okay. Now you got something to bite into on top of that nacho. So we're just gonna mix these around really good and just spread them back out. Just like that. Now that this chicken is really, really close to being done, if it's not really done already, let's kind of just pile it up right here like this. And now, here's where the magic happens. I watched her, kind of. She took some tomatoes, went ahead and put them on here. Just kind of sprinkle them around like this. Then she took some cheese. Now I'm using Colby Jack. Again, I don't know what kind of cheese she used. I didn't ask, maybe I should have. You think I would have opened this bag first, but I didn't. Anyhow, I'm gonna use this shredded Colby Jack. And she piled the cheese up on this stuff. You hear me? I mean, she had a pile of cheese on here. Almost couldn't see the tomatoes in there. She has so much cheese on there. But at the end of the day, you gotta have cheesy nachos. It ain't nachos unless it has a lot of cheese, is it? Let's go with that right there. Then we're gonna grab us up a dome right here. Cover that up, grab up some water. And let that water kind of steam and melt that cheese down and do its thing. And while that cheese is over there getting all cheesy and melting, let's go ahead and get some nachos on our plate. Our tortilla chips. They're not nachos yet. I mean, are these nachos already if they're just plain? I don't think so. It's kind of like Texas toast. It really ain't Texas toast till you toast it, is it? It's just Texas bread. More on that later. Let's get a lot of these on the plate here, y'all. Because I'm going to tell you what, she piled that plate up. Couldn't even close the tray. The to-go tray wouldn't even close, it was so full. Well, there we go. That should be pretty good. Tuck a few more down in here and around here and there and yonder. Because the kids are going to love these. Now we got them ready. Let's go check on that cheese, see if it's ready. Now I'd be lying if I didn't say that this is actually one of my favorite things. I love popping that top and seeing all that ooey gooey goodness and just everything ready. So let's pop this top and see what we got. Y'all ready for this? Oh, ho, ho, ho. That looks amazing, y'all. I almost want to just get a fork and eat straight right there. But I'm not. I'm going to take this up and put on this nachos. So let's just take this up and put right over the top here. Look at that. That's what you want right there. Yes, sir, buddy. Oh, get some fried cheese on there too. Get all this chicken. I actually thought I had too much chicken, but now I'm wondering if I had enough. Man, look at that, y'all. Let's go over here and finish it up. Come on. Before we do anything else to it, I just have to give you a close-up. I mean, look. Get a little char on that chicken, but look at this ooey gooey cheese, that tomato in it. Oh man, this is gonna be good. We gotta finish it up though. Now, again, I don't wanna lie to you because I would just dig into this like they are, but we're not done, we're not done. She put lettuce on top of it, that's right, lettuce. Now she put a lot of lettuce. I'm not gonna put quite as much. We're just gonna put some kind of garnish around it, lettuce, I guess you say. Just as much as you like. Let your heart guide you. So I think that'll be good right there. And then just a few more tomatoes here, there, and yonder. And then something magical. Something good. Let me get a paper towel. Wipe off my hands. She mixes up her own buffalo ranch. I didn't do that. I just went and got some spicy ranch. We're going to take it and we're just going to put it right across the top here like this. Look at these loaded deluxe. Well, she called them deluxe twisted nachos. I got one more thing. Post dust is a must. CJ, if anybody out there watches CJ, and I watch him a lot, know him personally, he's a great guy, but he has some great ideas like a post dust. Post dust is a must. So let's just put a little chicken griddle across the top of this. And voila, that's done. Clean up a little bit. I'll get some thumbnails, some pictures. We get to try it out. Give y'all a quick look at what I'm about to dig into. Yes, sir. These nachos came together quick, fast, and in a hurry. And just look at how much it made. Man, this right here is going to feed the whole family tonight. And I think they might even want more. But right now, I'm going to dig into it. So what'd you think about that? I mean, this made a massive plate of nachos, which I need to dig into. I really do. And I don't even know where to start here. I think I'll just grab this chip right here. Kind of get a little bit of everything on it. Try to anyhow. Uh-oh, my chip's breaking apart. It's just so heavy and just so much on it, but that's okay. I'm gonna do this. Wow. Man. That is amazing. Gotta have another bite of that. That's so good. This comes together perfect. This is absolutely amazing. The chicken griddle. Give me a minute. Okay, I've collected my thoughts because that took me to a whole nother place. That was so good. This is amazing. The chicken griddle on that chicken, that's the way to go. That is the way to use whatever seasoning you like. But I'm telling you right now, get that chicken griddle, use it on this, and don't go scarce with it. Use it. So good, so good. Spicy ranch really, really takes it to another level. All that cheese, that chicken's cooked perfectly. This comes together. This is amazing right here. Thank you, Sarah, over at Sarah's Rockin' Kitchen for giving me this idea. Like I said, she's got an amazing menu, huge menu. And I'll probably be making some more stuff off of her menu. But for right now, I'm going to eat this because these deluxe twisted nachos, that's how she calls it on her menu, is amazing. So go check her out. I'll leave the link down in the description down below to her Facebook page. Go check her out if you're around the Newberry, Greenwood, Lexington area of South Carolina. Be sure to find out where she's at and go check her out. Go follow her. Tell her I sent you over. But right now, I'm going to go inside. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up. You know the routine. If you didn't, thumbs down. Let me be for sure you really didn't like the video. And I'm going to take this inside because I really do like these. See you next time.